Today I'll be talking about the gender of Spanish nouns. Nouns, otherwise known in Spanish as sustantivos or nombres, consist of different factors. A noun can be a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. For example, el niño, the boy, is a masculine noun. This is obvious because when you see a boy, you understand that that is a masculine person. So this is given a masculine article, el, which means the, and an ending, which is the general ending for masculine nouns, which is an o. La niña, for example, is a feminine noun. As you understand, the female, a girl, is feminine. So for the feminine nouns, there is a feminine article, and then the la, and then there is a feminine ending, which is the general ending for feminine nouns, which is an a. Another example of this is el abuelo, the grandfather. El abuelo is a masculine noun. It's given a masculine article and a masculine end, the general masculine ending. La abuela is given a feminine article with a feminine ending. It's easy to see gendering a person as masculine or feminine. It's not always easy to understand gendering a place or a thing or an idea. However, this is the way it is done in the Spanish language. For example, el jardín. It is a masculine noun. Two things here. It has a masculine article, but its ending has changed. And as with all rules, there are exceptions. Many nouns that are masculine and feminine have different endings other than an O or an A. It's important to memorize the article with the noun so that you always know whether you're dealing with a masculine or feminine noun. La universidad, the university, for example, has la universidad. So this dad ending is actually very common for the la. It's not the general rule of simply an A on the end. However, when you see a noun that has the ending of dad, then you can generalize that it is a feminine noun. The masculine form of the nouns, when they differentiate from the general forms, takes on much the same aspect. El diagrama ends with a ma, el and ma, the diagram. So you'll see that nouns that tend to end with dad tend to be feminine, and the ones that end with ma tend to be masculine. For the last one, la casa being a place, I've left it a general rule noun. So for the feminine, la casa is a feminine article and a feminine ending in the general rule. Things. El libro, the book. This is a masculine article and a masculine ending, el libro. Here's another example of how it can differentiate. La mano, the hand. There is a feminine article, however, it has an O on the end. This sometimes occurs as an exception to the rule. El cielo, the sky. Masculine article and masculine ending. La camisa, the shirt. Feminine article and feminine ending. Now you might think that this might be for just females, but this is actually for males and for females shirts. Shirts worn by males and females. Ideas. El miedo, the fear. El is the article, and O, the masculine ending. La aventura, the adventure. Feminine article and a feminine ending. El pensamiento. Masculine article, masculine ending. La duda, the doubt. Feminine article and feminine ending. As you can see by the following chart, there is a generalized rule that most of them follow. I gave you a few examples of the alternate endings that still maintain the gender, however, the endings are different than the general rule. Just so you be prepared and just so you can understand that sometimes there are exceptions to the rule. Thank you for watching.